and 10 of those evenings were with the Assam Society in Bangalore. Every time he came on stage, he shared not just his music, but a piece of his soul. Not limited to Assamese music, Zubinda also made remarkable contributions to the Kannada music industry, lending his voice to films from Udugata in 2007 to Panchaya's Oli Adu in 2009. Over his career, he sang more than 38,000 songs in over 40 languages and mastered more than 15 musical instruments. He bridged the cultures, arts and languages like a true legend whose music knew no boundaries. As we mourn his loss today, I want to express my deepest sympathy to all Assamese brothers and sisters, to Zubin Das family, and to every music lover whose life he touched.